please subscribe and click on the little notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. Did you know that you can take a banana and simply cut it in half without removing anything else? You don't need to peel it. Eat that half, and the other half will form a skin by being in the air, and the skin on it will get thicker and thicker. So this is the first half. We'll eat that. Sorry, I just had to add that in there because it looks like a little cat face. So this one is sitting out to dry. I think I only left this one out for about 6 hours. So this is what it would look like after 6 hours. As long as you don't peel it, it won't go brown. And it's basically formed a little skin. If I had left this for 24 hours, I would have been able to peel the skin off of it much, much easier. But you're going to see here that there's this little sort of brown bit at the front. That's the only bit that is something I wouldn't eat. It sort of creates its own protective layer now. So all you need to do is peel it off. So for people who like to have half a banana, this is the perfect solution. My dad used to peel the banana almost all the way through, and then it would just make a mess. So the second one is the banana skin is full of antioxidants and a lot of other minerals. The little bit browner skin would have been better for me to do here, but basically the inside of the banana peel is full of vitamins. So it's a great thing to put on your skin, and just rub it around as much as you can until you can feel that there's not much layer on the inside of the skin anymore. Of course, I've already washed my face. This is just before I'm going to bed, and I just leave it on my skin. It's sort of like a cream. And it also apparently, and I have noticed a little bit of a difference. I'm going to show you, I've got on my hands, I've got some sunspots that are starting up now as well. And I feel that this has really helped a lot to prevent that. So there's one of my sunspots. It's a little one there. And then on my other hand, I also have one, here it is, up at near the knuckle. Yeah. So I try and every now and then remember to use, if I'm going to eat a banana, I might as well put it on my skin. So fried banana skins are like vegan bacon. I heard about this on TV. I think everyone heard about this at the same time as me because everyone was talking about it. And I just thought, I have to try it myself. So I'm marinating with some olive oil and some soy sauce. And I think I left this for about an hour. And then I decided I'll just go ahead and fry it. So you don't need to add anything to the pan because there's already a little bit of olive oil in the banana peel. Now, so you can see here it's absorbed all of that extra liquid. And they also say to use the banana peels that are a little bit browner than this, but I was really wanting to have a go at it. So I think they probably would have been a bit tastier with a little bit more brown. Most of the brown that you see on here is the soy sauce. Some of it is the peel itself. So you just go ahead and fry it up in the dry pan, and it takes actually quite a while. And I think it's because my bananas were probably too fresh. But you can see it's sizzling, it's starting to brown, and I just kept flipping it over and over. This probably is about 5 or 6 minutes worth, but the yellow side of the peel has these nice bubbles on it, and you can definitely see it's crisping up. You can also add, you know, other things like chili and paprika and things like that, but I just did soy sauce because I wanted to have a salty flavor. So here it is. I'm just gonna put it on the plate now and taste test. This part here is a little bit, seems crispier. That's a little bit soggy. So maybe I'll just have this one. This one's like, it's a little bit soggy. It's a little bit in the middle. It's surprising. I could imagine it's a little bacony, but it tastes a little banana at the same time. It's really actually good. So that's a thumbs up for me. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and click on the little notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos.